Start with the front section of the hearth. Lay it on its side so that the rib side faces up. Line up the first hearth side. Ensure the thumbscrew flange faces inside and towards the top. Secure to the hearth front with 4 screws. Repeat this for the other side. Screw in the hearth's levelling legs. Use the provided spacer to ensure they all start at the same height. The hearth has a total of 10 levelling legs. Attach the rubber foot caps to the legs. Tilt the hearth down so that it faces the unit. Remove the drywall trim pieces from the unit by loosening the screws as shown. There are 5 drywall trim pieces to be removed. Slide the hearth into position. Place the outer base panel on the unit. Temporarily place your finishing material on the hearth top. Adjust the height of the hearth by adjusting the levelling legs. Adjust the height so that the hearth top lines up with the outer base panel. Ensure that the hearth is lined up with the unit on both sides and along the front of the unit. Make sure that all the levelling feet are touching the floor. Remove the hearth top and outer base panel. Secure the hearth to the unit using the provided thumbscrews and washers. There are 4 thumbscrew locations as shown. For complete instructions on installing and servicing Regency fireplaces, download the manual from regency-fire.com.